Welcome to our training on lean leadership in manufacturing. Today, we will explore the key principles and practices that define lean leadership. Lean leadership focuses on continuous improvement, respect for people, and creating value for customers. It's crucial in manufacturing as it helps streamline processes, reduce waste, and enhance overall efficiency. The foundation of lean leadership lies in its 5 core principles. First, we define value from the customer's perspective. Then, we map the value stream to identify all the steps in the process. Creating flow involves ensuring that work moves smoothly through the system. Establishing pull means producing only what is needed when it is needed. Finally, seeking perfection involves continuous improvement. A lean leader is not just a manager, but a visionary and strategist. They set a clear direction and inspire the team. As mentors and coaches, they guide employees in developing their skills. They are also problem solvers, removing obstacles to smooth workflows. Lastly, they communicate effectively, ensuring everyone understands the goals and processes. One of the core principles of lean leadership is respect for people. This means empowering employees by involving them in decision-making and problem-solving. Teamwork is encouraged, fostering collaboration and mutual support. Leaders focus on the development and growth of their team members, providing opportunities for learning and advancement. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, is at the heart of lean. It involves making small, incremental changes rather than large, sweeping reforms. Everyone in the organization is encouraged to participate, bringing forth ideas for improvement. The focus is on processes rather than people, ensuring that we are always striving to optimize how we work. Gemba walks involve leaders going to the Gemba, or the place where work happens, to observe processes firsthand. This practice helps leaders understand the actual work conditions and challenges. It's also an opportunity to engage with employees, listen to their insights, and identify areas for improvement. Lean leaders use various tools and techniques to implement lean principles. The 5S methodology helps organize and standardize the workplace. Value stream mapping visualizes the steps in a process, identifying waste. Root cause analysis, such as the 5 whys, helps get to the root of problems, ensuring that solutions address the underlying causes. Metrics are essential in lean leadership for tracking progress and identifying areas for improvement. Key performance indicators, KPIs, help measure performance in critical areas. Continuous feedback loops ensure that we are constantly adjusting our strategies. It's important to align these metrics with organizational goals to ensure that everyone is working towards the same objectives. Implementing lean can be challenging. Resistance to change is common, as people are often comfortable with the status quo. It's crucial to maintain momentum, keeping the team motivated and engaged. Additionally, leaders must balance short-term and long-term goals, ensuring that immediate actions align with the organization's long-term vision. Praxie provides simple yet powerful tools for lean management, as well as dozens of other process solutions. Contact your representative to learn more. In conclusion, lean leadership is about creating a culture of continuous improvement and respect for people. We've covered key concepts like the 5 principles of lean, the role of a lean leader, and important tools and techniques. As you move forward, develop an action plan for implementing these ideas in your area. Remember, lean is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. And now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.